Good morning, students. Today we'll learn about manufacturing of nitric acid by ostwald process. On previous day we have learned about manufacturing of hydrochloric acid by synthetic method. Today we'll learn about manufacture of nitric acid by ostwald process. So this process is much like the process by which HNO3 added in case of acid rain. In case of acid rain, we know that in air there are nitrogen and oxygen. With the help of a huge heat produced by the lightning, the nitrogen and oxygen react to each other, produce nitric oxide, which is NO. Then this nitric oxide converted into again react with oxygen and converted into NO2, and then NO2 mix with the water droplets of rain and come down as acid rain mixing with HNO3, right? This process is much like that process. So if we remember the acid rain process, then ostwald process will be very easy for you. So the principle is a mixture of ammonia and excess air is passed over platinum gauge with 10% rhodium heated at 75 degrees Celsius. So you can understand that platinum gauge and with 10% rhodium is our catalyst, right? So at 750 degrees Celsius, when ammonia passed over a platinum gauge with excess air, normal air, then this ammonia oxidized by the oxygen of the air and produce nitric oxide. So 4NH3 plus O2, 5O2 create 4NO plus H2O. This 4NO again oxidized by atmospheric oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide, which is NO2. So 2NO plus O2 is equal to 2NO2. Now if we treat this nitrogen dioxide with hot water, again we have to remember the point, which is hot water, then this nitrogen dioxide will produce HNO3. So NO2 plus H2O is equal to 2HNO3 plus NO. So in this ostwald method we have to remember about some details. Number one is temperature, that the reaction will carried out, the main reaction, which is where ammonia is oxidized into nitric oxide. The reaction will carried out at 750 degrees Celsius, okay, where the reaction produce a fairly good speed and giving us a satisfactory yield of nitric oxide, right? Now the pressure will be 7 to 8 atmospheric pressure ATM is applied on for better productivity, okay, about 7 to 8 ATM. And the catalyst, most important part, the catalyst we use is platinum wire gauge with 10% rhodium used as catalyst. This platinum wire gauge will speed up the chemical reaction between ammonia and oxygen of the air and create nitric oxide and H2O. So these are the all points about ostwald's process to manufacture nitric oxide. You have to remember it. Next day we will learn about manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. Thank you for today. That's all for the class.